Okay, guys, welcome back to IFX Academy's daily analysis on BTC USD. Yesterday, we were buying. We hit our bullish target, guys. Kudos to those who followed and made money buying this. Anyways, guys, for today, we are on the salsa. Let me see. No, nope, nope, no. I was going to make a mistake again. Guys, today we have tested the breakout area. If we turn this area into support, we will be testing yesterday's high again. Okay, guys, very simple as that. And if we break below this, we will be seeing the previous low because we will have re-entered the range. And remember, the rule for the range is whenever we enter a range, we test the bottom of the range most of the time. The probability of times. Okay, guys. So my target would be 109394. And if we stay above 110404, we will be seeing 112337. So take care, guys. Wishing you guys the best of luck and see you guys tomorrow.